Hello everyone, this is Delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel. In the modern world of life, the Tibetan incense is integrated into our Tibetan people's daily life. Tibetan incense, normally used for the religious or ordinary household purposes, is made of a variety of renewable plants through street and sanitary traditional skills. Can be seen in khaki, red colors, and black colors, and stick, cone, and the powdery shapes. And I often use the stick-shaped Tibetan incense in my daily life. After modern civilization enters Tibet, the Tibetan incense has a new vitality. And after I getting up in the morning, I will light a Tibetan incense, then chanting. Not only that, people like to light a Tibetan incense when they study and work, let it alone with everyone's busy work and the study life. And when we are receiving guests at home, we will also ignite Tibetan incense while drinking tea and chatting, so that there will be a warm taste in the air. When we're sleeping at night, we will ignite a Tibetan incense to help us get sleep as soon as possible, because the materials used in Tibetan incense are good for our bodies. Not only do we use Tibetan incense at home, but also we'll carry things that related to Tibetan incense with you when you go out, such as this Tibetan incense blessing bag. You can put it in your bag when you go out, and there will be a good scent on you. And you can also hang it in the car with you when you go out for praying safety. Of course, the Tibetan incense has also become a beautiful gift for our Tibetan friends to other ethnic groups' friends, such as the Tibetan incense and the Tibetan incense blessing bag. Also, there is the Tibetan incense candles. We can present this gift for our friends just to send good wishes to our friends. Last but not the least, the Tibetan incense is still more popular now, and not only that, generations of people in Tibet have creatively carried on the skill of making Tibetan incense and have developed a variety of Tibetan incense products. Okay, the above is what I want to share with you about the Tibetan incense that I know. And it's time to say goodbye to everyone. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.